Maximilian Karl Albert, Prince of Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, was an Austrian military officer in the First Prince of Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort line. Maximilian Karl Albert was the fourth child and the first son of Ferdinand Karl, Count of Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, and his wife Countess Anna Maria of Fürstenberg. He was followed by 10 siblings. Maximilian Karl entered the emperor's service at an early age, was an acting imperial advisor since 1684 and was named Privy Councillor of the Empire in 1699. After Prince-Elector Max Emanuel of Bavaria was forced into exile in 1704, Maximilian Karl became the imperial administrator of Bavaria and, in his new rank as a prince, assumed the honorable position of a principal commissioner, the permanent representative of the emperor in the imperial diet from 1712 on. On the 3rd of April 1711 he was elevated to the status of a prince by Emperor Joseph I. He was granted principality for all his legitimate descendants by the emperor's brother and successor, Emperor Karl VI, on the 8th of January 1712. His last office in the imperial service, which he held from 1717 until his death, was the governorship of the Duchy of Milan, which Prince Eugene of Savoy had conquered for the House of Habsburg. Maximilian Karl died and was buried in Milan. His heart was transferred and buried in the crypt of the Collegiate Church of Wertheim. Marriage and issue. On 26 August 1678, Maximilian Karl Albert married the Tyrolean Countess Maria Pollux-Senneck von Lichtenberg und Bellazi. The marriage produced 10 children: Princess Maria Theresia Franziska zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, Wilhelm Karl Magnus Anton Erbgraf zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, Maximilian Karl Anton Erbgraf zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, Count Wolfgang Philipp Eberhard Joseph zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, Count Felix Albert zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, Princess Eleonore Maria Anna zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, married in Frankfurt on 9 November 1704 Ernest Leopold, Landgrave of Hesse-Rotenburg, and had issue: Count Franz Joseph zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, Princess Maria Leopoldine Theresia Renata Dorothea zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, married in Oltotting on 1 September 1710 Konrad Sigismund, Count von Starhemberg, and had issue: Dominic Marquard Sebastian Christian Ernst. 2. First zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort, married Landgravine Christine of Hesse-Wanfried, daughter of Charles, Landgrave of Hesse-Wanfried, and had issue: Count Franz Karl zu Löwenstein-Wertheim-Rochefort.